Hi, my name's Michael Mazarang. I'm a foundation repair professional in the Charlotte, North Carolina area. Today, we're visiting a commercial building in the North Cross Business Park located in Huntersville, North Carolina. When I first visited the building, I noted several symptoms of distress in the brick veneer, localized by the right front corner of the structure. Upon further evaluation, I noted that the interior floor slab had settled towards the right front corner, beginning at the expansion joint, moving all the way across towards the right foundation wall. Per North Carolina code, I reached out to a structural engineer locally, and the engineer designed a pattern of helical piers to support the perimeter foundation, also recommending that we pressure grout a 500 square foot area of the interior floor slab to recompress the soils, fill voids, and attempt to lift the concrete slab back to its original position. For this particular procedure, we reached out to a local pressure grouting professional at Piedmont Foundation Repair. Chris Merman has over 20 years experience with this type of repair. At this point in the production phase, we're at stage 2. The helical piers have already been installed the previous day, and we are now pressure grouting the floor slab. As you can see, Chris is a master of his craft as he puts down plastic and neatly lays his hoses out on the floor, keeping in mind that this office is occupied with the staff present for the full procedure. Outside, you'll note Chris's custom batch plant. This particular batch plant, we can actually batch our own material and pump all in one neat little package. Instead of using a trailer pump like the old days and a ready mix truck, we can cut out the expense of having to hire a ready mix company, purchase 94-pound bags from the local hardware store, and batch with this custom plant. We don't have to use any more or any less material than's needed, and as you can see, the bags are neatly contained. The mess is contained by cutting a piece of plastic, and the entire job site is protected from damage, waste, or any unneeded mess. Panning out in front of the right front corner of the building, we can see where we installed our 5 foundation underpinning units, or helical piers. I was very pleased with the minimal mess that the crew made, as we were able to dig in between the bushes. You'll see here some of the cracks that were present in the brick veneer. During the lifting process, we were actually able to close those cracks and lift this building a total of 2.5 inches back to its original position. The client was ecstatic with the results, as I was. The same thing happened on the inside of the building, where Chris was able to perform his pressure grouting program and actually lift the concrete slab within 1/8 of an inch of its original position. The slope was taken completely out of the slab, and the client was extremely happy with the results. As you can see here, a little bit of residual messiness in the parking lot, which can be sprayed down with a garden hose. The guys were able to put the pine needles back in the flower bed, and you can't even tell that we were there. It's hard to find professionals of this caliber to do grouting, as most of them have retired or have left the trade completely. Chris Merman is the only pressure grouting professional that I know of in the Charlotte area that has 20 years experience. Chris Merman can handle any custom grouting situation, and as you can see again from the inside, no splashing on the walls, absolutely no mess. And believe me, this type of procedure can produce a large mess. If you want someone that knows what they're doing, definitely give me a call at 704-787-6972, and I can put the best pressure grouting professional on your job site. I also have access to the best foundation professionals, engineers, and contractors that you'll find in the industry. I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope you've learned a little bit about pressure grouting today and foundation underpinning. I look forward to talking with you, and again, please contact me directly at 704-787-6972. Thank you for visiting with me today. Take care.